A is for apple, red and bright. B is for ball, bounce it high. C is for cat, meow, meow, meow. D is for dog, wow, wow, wow. A, B, C, D. Come and sing along with me. E, F, G, H. Learning letters is so great. I, J, K, L. Ring the alphabet bell. M, N, O, P. Sing your ABC with me. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for fish, swimming along. G is for goat, hop, hop, hop. H is for hat, put it on top. I is for ice cream, yummy and sweet. J is for juice, a tasty treat. K is for kite, flying high. L is for lion, roaring nearby. M is for monkey, swing, swing, swing. N is for nest where birdies sing. O is for orange, round and sweet. P is for panda, cute and neat. Q, R, S, T. Come and sing along with me. U, V, W, X. Letters are the very best. Y and Z. Now we know our ABC. Q is for queen, wearing a crown. R is for rabbit, hopping around. S is for sun, shining bright. T is for tiger, what a sight! U is for umbrella, up it goes. V is for van, off it goes. W is for whale, splash in the sea. X is for xylophone, play with me. Y is for yo-yo, up and down. Z is for zebra, black and brown. A to Z, we made it through. Now let's sing it one more time with you. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Come and sing your ABC. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Learning letters happily. Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. We know them too. A to Z. Hip, hip, hooray. We learned our letters today. A to Z. We know them all. Big and little, short and tall. Sing again and smile with me. We love our ABC. Yay! Come on, kids, sing with me. Let's learn vehicles A to Z. Big and small, fast and slow. Ready now? Here we go. A for airplane, flying high. Zooming, zooming through the sky. D for bicycle, ring, ring, ring. Pedal fast and hear it sing. C for car, beep, beep, beep. Driving down the busy street. D for dump truck, big and strong. Carrying rocks all day long. E for excavator, dig, 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 dig. Moving dirt so deep and big. Vehicles, vehicles, here we go. Fast or slow, they steal the show. Beep, beep, zoom, zoom. Let's all sing around the room. F for fire truck, knee, na, knee. Helping people quickly see. G for garbage truck, clean and bright. Keeping every street just right. H for helicopter, whoop, whoop, whoop. Flying high without a stir. I for ice cream truck, ding, ding, ding. Yummy treats it likes to bring. J for jeep, over the hill. Climbing roads with lots of skill. K for kayak, paddle away. Floating on the lake today. L for locomotive, chug, chug, chug. Pulling trains with a mighty tug. Beep, beep, honk, honk, sing the vehicle song. Learn the letters every day. Drive and fly and sail away. motorcycle, vroom, vroom, vroom. Racing past with lots of zoom. And for narrow boat, float along, sailing gently all day long. Over off-road buggy, bump, bump, bump. Driving over every bump. P for pickup truck, strong and neat, carrying loads down every street. Beep, beep, honk, honk, sing the vehicle song. Learn the letters every day. Drive and fly and sail away. Q for quad bike, ride with fun, rolling in the shining sun. R for rocket, whoosh so high, flying up into the sky. S for ship, sail away across the sea all day. T for tractor, on the farm, working hard with lots of charm. U for unit bicycle, one big wheel, balancing with lots of skill. V for van, drive around, rolling smoothly through the town. W for water tanker, big and bright, bringing water day and night. X for x-ray truck, scan, 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 helping doctors when they can. Y for yacht, sail with glee, floating gently on the sea. Z for zeppelin, up so high, drifting softly through the sky. A to Z, now you know, watch the vehicles come and go. Sing this song and smile today. See you soon. Hip, hip, hooray! A, B, C, come and sing. Learning letters is so fun. Dance with Bobo, dance with Piku. Let's begin, everyone. Y, A for apple, shiny and red, growing on the tree overhead. Try B, B for ball, bounce so high, tie up and down into the sky. Ray, C, C for cat, meow, meow, meow. Ray, cute little kitty says hello now. H, D, D for dog, woof, woof, woof. Tay, running fast around the roof. D, E, E for elephant, big and tall. Hey, swinging its trunk for one and all. T, F, F for fish, swim, swim, swim. Tay, splashing in the water with a grin. Hey, G, G for grapes, purple and sweet. Hey, yummy little fruit to eat. H, H for hen, cluck, cluck, cluck. Tay, looking for food with lots of luck. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, come and learn along with me. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, learning letters now and then. Come and learn, come and sing. I for ice cream, cold and sweet. A yummy frozen summer treat. T, J, J for juice, sip, sip, sip. Take a happy little sip. Hey, K, K for kite, fly so high, dancing in the windy sky. A, L, L for lion, roar so loud. Hey, king of the jungle, strong and proud. Tight. M, M for monkey, jump and play. Hey, swinging through the trees all day. Tight. N, N for nest, cozy and small. Tight. Little birds love it most of all. Daddle, O, O for orange, round and bright. Daddle, juicy, tasty, pure delight. Daddle, P, P for parrot, green and bright. Talking, talking, happily day and night. Q, R, S, T, U, V, learning letters joyfully. W, X, Y, and Z, sing the alphabet with me. Sing it now, sing it loud. The Q, Q for queen, wearing a crown, E, smiling brightly all around. B, R for rabbit, hop, hop, hop. Dad never wants to stop. S for sun, shining bright, giving us warm golden light. T for tiger, stripe by stripe, walking proudly day and night. U for umbrella, open wide, keeping you dry inside. V for van, drive away, rolling smoothly every day. W for watermelon, big and sweet, a juicy summer treat. X for xylophone, ding ding ding, play the music, let's all sing. Y for yak, strong and tall, walking proudly through it all. Z for zebra, black and white, running fast with all its might. A to Z, now we know, learning letters as we grow. Clap your hands and dance today. Hip, hip, hooray, hooray. Bobo smiles, Piku too, they're so proud of me and you. See you next time, sing along. ABC is fun and strong. ABC, come and sing. Learning letters is so fun. Colors bright and animals too. Let's learn together, me and you. A for apple, shiny and red. B for ball, bounce on the bed. C for cat, saying meow meow. D for dog, bow wow wow ow. E for elephant, big and strong. F for fish, swimming along. G for grapes, purple and sweet. Hey! H for hen, pecking to eat. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, come and sing along with me. Learning letters every day, laugh and dance and sing and play. I for ice cream, yummy treats. J for juice, fruity and sweet. K for kite,
a
flying
colorful
high
kite.
song. L for lion, roaring loud. I, M for monkey, jumping trees. N for nest, home for birds. O for orange, round and bright night. P for parrot, green delight. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, happy letters, sing with me. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Alphabet songs are really sweet. Q for queen, wearing crown. R for rabbit, hopping around. S for sun, shining bright. T for tiger, orange stripes. U for umbrella in the rain. V for van, driving lane. W for watermelon, big and green. X for xylophone, ding ding ding. Y for yak with fluffy hair. Z for zebra, black and white. Now we learned our A to Z. Great job, kids! Hip hip hooray! A, B, C, and all the way. Come again and sing today. Bobo and Piku say goodbye. See you kids next time. Come on, kids, sing with me. Let's learn animals A to Z. Big and small, wild and free. Animal friends for you and me. A for ant, march in line. Tiny workers doing fine. B for bear, big and brown, walking through the forest town. C for cat, meow meow meow. Cute little kitty says hello now. D for dog, woof woof woof, running fast around for you and me. G, G for giraffe, neck so high, reaching leaves up to the sky. H, H for hen, cluck, 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 looking for food with lots of luck. I for iguana, green and bright, climbing branches with delight. J, J for jellyfish, float so slow, dancing where the sea winds blow. K, K for kangaroo, hop, 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 jumping high and never stop. L, L for lion, roar so loud, king of the jungle, strong and proud. M, M for monkey, jump and play, swinging through the trees all day. N, N for nest, cozy and small, little birds love it most of all. Q, R, S, T, U, V, learning animals joyfully. W, X, Y, and Z, sing the alphabet with me.